And this recipe is top seller. I made 50 cups to sell for $1 and it yields a lot. And let's start by adding in a pan 2 teacups of sugar. Remembering that my cup has 240 ml. We will stir until turn into a caramel. Now add 1 cup of water and stir until dissolved very well. After dissolving, I will add 3 tablespoons of powdered chocolate and stir again until it gets a little thicker. After thickening a little, we will turn off the heat and let aside. In the blender, I will add 395 grams of condensed milk, 200 grams of cream, 500 ml of milk, and 2 cups of powdered milk. Cover and let it beat for 3 to 5 minutes. This way it will be very creamy. Here I'm adding 2 packets of unflavored gelatin, already hydrated. Let it beat just a little more. Now you can turn off the blender and reserve the aside. And here I am using 50 little glasses of 50 ml. And now the process is very simple. It's just add some of this syrup to the bottom and then just come with our mix of pudding and throw it all over it. Beware not to overflow our glass. Like this is great. And just repeat the process with all the glasses. This mixture is great. You can make 150 little cups to selling for $1 each cup. It's also a great type to make for a birthday party, as you prefer. And after finishing all this process, we will take it to the fridge for about 4 hours. Guys, and now our pudding glass is ready. Look how it is incredible. The flavor is wonderful. The mixture of chocolate with next, there isn't how to resist. Do it for you to sell or even for a party or for the weekend as a dessert. People, I hope you have enjoyed. This was one more little recipe here at Pour in the Kitchen. That strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.